All right, thanks, Ashley. Well, as we get ready to mark Veterans Day, Hartford HealthCare is taking a unique approach to honor patients who served our country, and it's nothing more than a simple gesture that's leaving a lasting impression. Joining us now to explain is Bob Sammartino. He's a registered nurse at Mid-State Medical Center. Bob, welcome.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thanks for being here. So you are also a veteran. Tell us about your service and how you got into healthcare.
Sure. A long time ago when I was a full-time student at CCSU, I wanted to serve my country in some capacity. So in my hometown of Bristol, there's an Army National Guard infantry unit located there, Charlie Company, and I went down there and I served from 1984 to 1990. And then later on, as my parents started experiencing some healthcare issues, I took an interest in healthcare. So I went back to school at Goodwin College, now university, and I received my nursing degree in 2009, and I started work at Mid-State Medical Center that year.
That's great, and we saw some great pictures of you, too. All right, 5 years ago, you decided to do something on your own to honor veterans. What was that?
As I was caring for my patients, I would find out through conversations that they were a veteran. So I went out and I bought a bunch of flags and I would put them in my work locker. And as I took care of patients, then I found out that they were veterans. I'd go to my locker, I'd get a flag, and I'd present them with a flag, and I'd thank them for their service. And then over the years, my colleagues picked up on it, and my managers, and they started doing the same thing.
That is really nice. I think that's wonderful, having had a father that was in the hospital and he was recognized as a veteran. It made us feel so good. All right, starting tomorrow, Hartford HealthCare will build upon what you started, launching Stars and Stripes for Service to honor veterans. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, like you said, starting tomorrow at most locations across Hartford HealthCare, our veterans are going to receive a small flag, such as this, or a small gift of gratitude and a thank you card thanking them for their service. Obviously, honoring veterans all the time is important, so certain locations across Hartford HealthCare, like our hospitals, will be doing this year-round. There's a tremendous amount of pride across Hartford HealthCare, and we're really excited about doing this.
And Bob, finally, tell us, what does this mean to you, and what does it mean to the veterans that you've interacted with over the years?
It's such a great patient experience. I've gone into rooms, given out the flags, and patients would cry. Family members that are there would cry and be very appreciative. And I always compare it to like a child opening a gift during Christmas morning. They're just not expecting somebody to come into the room and give them a flag, thanking them for their service while they're acutely or chronically ill. And I'd like to give a shout out to everybody at Mid-State Medical Center. Especially my colleagues on Pavilion D Delta. A happy Veterans Day to everybody tomorrow, with a special veterans happy Veterans Day to my son Nick, who's also a Marine.
Quick last question: how will you be observing Veterans Day tomorrow?
Oh God, I have the day off, so I think I'm just going to relax. I'll do a couple of things around the house. I have to mow the lawn, so just take it easy and just remember all of the things that I've gone through, and just be very appreciative, and hope everyone enjoys their Veterans Day tomorrow, because they certainly deserve it.
Well, we appreciate you, Bob Sammartino. Thank you, and keep up the good work.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.